Any songs not pertaining to the theme, shall not be encouraged. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Pallavi Chen, the International Affairs Captain,
And I, Rahul Rai Singhani, the International Affairs Vice Captain, would like to bring your attention to the following conferences. First, the Dubai Exchange Program for classes 8 and 9 girls in the week of April. Regional Round Square Service Project in Leh Ladakh from 13th of June to 28th of June.
International Round Square Conference in Switzerland from 9th to 14th October, Young Round Square Conference at Emerald Heights Indore from 11th to 15th June. In the month of July and August, we have the following international service projects: South Africa, Peru, and Romania. We have Young Round Square Conference in Assam Valley School in the month of July. To register for any of the above mentioned conferences, please get in touch with us, Tripti ma'am or Anubha ma'am.
Anybody interested for the Dubai Exchange Program, please meet Pratibha ma'am after the assembly immediately. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I, Bhakti Jain, your IPSC Vice Captain, would like to bring your attention for two upcoming events. The first event is the Under 14 Boys Basketball Tournament, which will start from 1st April and continue till 2nd April in Vallabhashram, Gujarat. The second event is the Football Under 19 Boys, which is from 11th of April to 19th April in BK Birla Center for Education in Pune. Thank you.
Good morning. Any student, any teacher, at any time can now contact the Prefectorial Council. Remember, your opinions do matter. Please feel free to write us a mail at any time. We are there for you 24/7. And the email ID is councilpsvs201516 @gmail.com. I repeat, councilpsvs201516 @gmail.com. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Uttoyo Saha, your academics captain. And starting with Shikhar, a summer camp organized by ISA Bhopal is to be held on 20th to the 25th of May. Interested students from classes 10th, 11th, and 12th must register themselves by the 20th of March. For further information, notices will be put up. Students who have not given or want to give the eliminations for the daily college English debate must give them by today to Navita ma'am or Suchi ma'am. Going on to Sopan, classes 7 and 8 have a spell bee competition upcoming tomorrow on the 15th of March and an English debate on the 22nd of March. For Prangan, there's an English debate scheduled for class 5 on the 1st of April and a Hindi Vaad Vivad for class 5 on April 8th. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is the first assembly conducted by the Student Council, and we have a new mission this year. In order to realize our collective dream of a clean and hygienic India, we are partnering with the Ministry of Urban Development to launch a national student engagement campaign in order to make all students active stakeholders in making India clean. We will also form SAC, that is Swachhata Ambassador Committee of students and teachers for overseeing and monitoring the cleanliness and hygiene status of the school. It also encourages all students to register individually on the portal mygov.in and to upload pictures of cleanliness and activities that they undertake. We look forward to your cooperation in making the dream of Swachh Bharat a reality. I now request the Deputy Head Girl Malvika Singh to administer the pledge.
Good morning, everybody. Please stand up and put your right hand forward and repeat the pledge after me. I take the pledge that I will remain committed Towards cleanliness and devote time to clean India. I pledge to devote 2 hours per week to voluntary work for cleanliness. I pledge to neither litter nor let others litter. I pledge to initiate the quest for cleanliness with myself, my family, my locality, my city and my school. I pledge to propagate the message of Swachh Bharat Mission in cities, villages and towns. I pledge to encourage 100 other persons to take this pledge which I am taking today. I pledge to take every step towards cleanliness that will help in making my country clean. Thank you.